Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Random Singh 7 and it's a Sunday here today. It was a pretty nice sunny day, but then the clouds have come up now. So we're just heading out a little bit to somewhere close by. Let's see. A couple of friends have already gone out. I'm a little late. It's around 3:20, but my friends, they said they're going around, I completely forgot the time. I think my friends went around 2. Let's hope we can catch them up. And this is my new vlogging setup. I don't know how the voices, the noise or wind noise and everything is. This is the first time I'm putting the microphone inside the helmet, routed it, behind the helmet and all. First time doing that. If you follow my channel, I'm not sure if you have seen that Boya mic, but that Boya mic had a very, very long cable, so I had to purchase another cable which was just enough so that it'll fit inside the helmet. So this is a new mic, so I'm testing the new mic as well. And yeah, I'm also using a dead cat. Can you see that? There's a guy on a Duke who's going around delivering food for Swiggy. Okay, that is below, close to 2000 RPM in second gear, taking a slight uphill. Not sure if you saw that, but the bike didn't knock at all. I believe this is after what has happened after the first servicing. Feels a lot more smoother for sure. The engine. I believe my rear suspension is getting a little softer as I've been riding around with the pillion. So yeah. My RPM 1 is still set to 6500 because you can't change your shift indicator RPM or the RPM 1 when the bike is under 1000 kilometers. So even though I have serviced my bike at around 600 kilometers, I still can't change that. So it's still set at 6500. I guess that's where RPM 1 comes in, and then 7500 is where the RPM would have been ideally locked, but now the warning is still at 6500. Third gear below 2500 RPM, and everything seems to be fine. Whoa, somebody's riding with a, I don't know, what will you call that? Let's catch up with him and see. What will you call that thing? Can you see that, guys? It rains a lot here, but not that much that you need a canopy around your scooty. What would you call this thing? I don't know. As long as it does its job, I think it's fine. Yeah. Yep. The RPM 1 is still at 6500, but RPM 2 is no longer locked. I can go way past 8000 RPM. Okay, there was word of cops being around here, but I don't see them so far. Let's hope nobody's up ahead. I always think I'll be taking smaller clips of me riding. But then this road is such that you want to just shoot the entire way, throughout the entire way. And I end up shooting the entire length and breadth of this road. But never have I posted the entire duration of this road or length of this road. Maybe someday I'll do it. More people heading out. Some bad roads I see. Let's go fuel up. I'll just fuel up for 500, it's fine. आराम से उठ जाता है बहुत उस डंडा के लिए।
फाइन जाएगा।
हाँ
फाइन जाएगा।
साइड से लेंगे तो जाएगा, लेकिन वो थोड़ा सा साइड वाइड में लगने से ऊपर आ जाता है।
हाँ।
बहुत ज़्यादा बार हो चुका है ये।
इधर नहीं होगा तो
इधर
आ ही गया।
बराबर बोला ना आपको मैंने।
इधर साइड में रखा है फिर भी क्यों आ रहा है? साइड में इधर टच करके रखा है फिर भी।
कपड़ा होगा थोड़ा।
हाँ हो जाएगा।
ठीक है। चाय भी पी रहे आप? हो जाएगा बस यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा बस। सर जी, किसी ना किसी का मतलब तो नुकसान होना ही है। Are you waiting for me? You waiting for me? हाँ चलो चलो, we'll catch. So we'll be listening to the soundtrack of the Himalayan all along the route. Okay guys, insane number of two-wheelers on a Sunday on this road. You better be careful whenever you're coming this way. And yeah, I mean that includes us as well. But it's a nice day, and it's been a while since you know, we've been able to ride out, courtesy the lockdown. I'm really curious to see how much wind is coming in inside this microphone, because I've put on a dead cat and that's supposed to reduce wind noise. I don't know if it is reducing any wind noise whatsoever at all. Come on bro, MotoGP! You get tons of fake Alpine stars out here. So you gotta be careful on Sundays because there are too many people overtaking each other. So you just don't know who's gonna ride how and where you're gonna land up. And then there'll always be people who are slower. What the hell happened here? Wow. No, 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 no. Wow, that's a... Is that a GM class? Oh, wow. Wow. And a Beamer. Awesome. Another Beamer. Awesome. 60. That is awesome. Another Merc. Man, Shillong does have some fancy ass cars. I mean, I saw it. AMG G63. That is one of the best SUVs, at least in my opinion. Oh wow, somebody's too drunk. That is one of the best SUVs that you can probably purchase, and that is there in Shillong. I can't even believe it. How in the world did it even reach here? I mean, the guy was being overly cautious while driving it, I could see that, but come on man, there's one here. I can't believe it. Oh crap, I'm forgetting to shift while talking about it. Woohoo! I don't know if you see that guys, but it's a lot clearer today. Check that out. You can actually see the blue skies. So I'm not sure if you have seen my foggy ride video. I would have posted it like a couple of days back. While shooting that, this entire section was like full of fog, okay? But now look at that, you can actually see the mountain. There you go. The visibility is so much more better today. Sorry. And this is where we probably shot our intro, yeah, the other day. But today it's a lot better. You could have, there you go, you can't see it anymore. So that's how quickly the weather changes here in Shillong, and the visibility as well. 2 minutes you can see it, 2 minutes later you can't see it, and now the mountain is so nice. Oh wow, listen to that. The rims color and the boots color matches.
Yeah, no, but you know why I just do this?
Oh, okay, just one line.
Just do the one line.
I see.
Hi.
Hey,
Joey.
Tradeep, man. It's completely foggy. That's the Z900. I think there are two Z900s if I'm not mistaken out here.